brothers and sisters. I always start talk use the word brothers, sisters. Actually, 7 billion human beings are brothers, sisters. They way we born, same way. They way to say goodbye. Also the same way. And then most important, 7 billion human beings, mentally, emotionally, physically, we are same. And then most important, everyone wants happy life. Do not want suffering. So therefore, 7 billion human beings are same and same right to achieve their goal, happy life. So, since we everybody are part of humanity, so it is very important oneness of 7 billion, the sense of oneness of 7 billion human beings. Because in spite of the same human being, on secondary level there are differences. Different nationality, of course, east, west, north, south. See, there are differences. Color, different color. Usually called white people, or black people, or yellow people. And then, as well as different religious belief. Judeo-Christian background, tradition, and Islam, and Zoroastrianism, and then India's own sort of, different religions. That is Sangha philosophy. Sanghaism, I think over 3,000 years. Then Jainism, 2000, I think, around 700 years. Then Buddhism, 2000, around 600 years. Then later in this country, Sikhism. So there are different religious traditions. So sometimes we too much emphasis on the secondary level of differences. Today's world, everybody wants peace, happy. Yet we are facing problem besides nature disaster, but many problems which essentially our own creation. With too much emphasis on secondary level of differences. So now the remedy, how to reduce the conflict which we human beings created. Since these are based on secondary level of differences, now we must go fundamental level, we are same human beings. So wherever I go, I always talk 7 billion human beings. Fundamentally, we are same human beings. We are human beings on this planet. I don't know whether he translates correctly or not. I don't know. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Once I open my mouth, then always go blah, 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 like that. So now, as a human brothers, sisters here, I extremely happy meeting with you and opportunity to share some of my own sort of view or my thought. So now today, we really need sense of oneness of 7 billion human beings in order to achieve peaceful world, happy world. And then, in secondary level, as I mentioned earlier, there are different religious traditions. Now, all major world traditions, in spite different philosophical views, all carry same message, message of love, or message of tolerance and forgiveness and self-discipline. So therefore, all major world traditions, in spite different philosophy, but all practice same way. So all major different traditions have same potential to create peaceful individual, happy individual, and a happy family, happy community. And different philosophy there. It is necessary. 7 billion human beings, about 1 billion non-believers, and then around 6 billion believers, different mental disposition and different culture. Therefore, we need different philosophical views. That means different way of approach. Same goal. That is compassionate person. Same, all carry same message of love, as I mentioned earlier. Like medicine, we cannot say one medicine, pick up one medicine, this is best medicine. You can't say. According to patients, their physical condition, their illness, judging there, and then we can say, oh, for you, this medicine is best. So similarly, people who have different mental disposition need different way of approach. Therefore, on this planet, so many different traditions over 4,000 years. So therefore, today's world, in the name of different religion, must say, divide people, and worst case, killing each other in Syria and Afghanistan. Really terrible. All major religions carry same message, message of love, message of tolerance. Yet, in the name of different religion, then you see killing each other. Terrible. So, we need effort to develop religious harmony. Now, big question, is it possible or not? Very possible. India is an example. Well, over 2,000 years, all world major religious traditions live together here in this country, Bharat. Now here, say, a lot of Muslim brothers and sisters. And I think India, is the biggest number of Muslims. But obviously create some problem for their own political interest. Otherwise, I think the religious harmony in this country over 3,000 years, religious harmony. Yeah. Still, modern India, religious harmony, very good, wonderful. I never heard in this country problem between Shia and Sunni. No problem. Some other country, because of Shia and Sunni fighting. So India, I think really religious harmony historically there, and modern India, independent India, also you see carry this 1,000-year-old Indian tradition of religious harmony. That's very important. I always reminds people, religious harmony is possible. India is the example. So firstly, I think please keep each of your mind. We are same human being. We have to live side by side. Firstly, your own area, your own community. Then India, then whole Asia, then whole world. We have to live side by side. So harmony among the different regions, among the people, Easterner, Westerner, Northerner, Southerner. There is no proper sort of reason divide East, West, South, North. So we really need sense of oneness of 7 billion human beings. Then second, religious harmony. Each of us have the potential to make contribution to religious harmony. So please keep in your mind. Then another thing, I usually share with people, the global warming. Now, decade by decade, climate condition changing. We can see in Afghanistan, I think several centuries ago, maybe, looks there are many lakes. Now many of these lakes now become desert. So in this area, after 30, 40 years, I think climate condition much will change. So we have to take care about environment. And you have to think more seriously. Eventually, the water reduce, river, water river reduce. Then we have to think. I think some area, maybe some small dam, water store. So I'm not an expert, but I know because it's my own last now nearly 60 years I live Kargil district. When I first came about 60 years ago, a lot of snowfall. Then year by year, less. So we already noticed. So the climate condition, you see, I think changing quite rapidly. So we have to keep in our mind taking care about the environment. That I want to share with you. Then here, about young people. Now education, very, very important. So I think there are many, I think school, I think law, since independence, I think in India, I think facility of education much improved. Now still, city people oppose the religious leaders and also the government officials. And I think elder people, I think, should pay more attention for education for younger generation. Then, in education, so-called modern education, which come from West, British introduced here. So that education now seems very much oriented about material value, materialistic sort of oriented education. This is not adequate to bring happy individual. Because material very good for physical health, not mental health. I think as far as modern education is concerned, Europe, America, these places highly developed, but a lot of problems. Too much stress, anger, jealousy. So I have a number of friends who are billionaire, very rich, but as a human being, very unhappy person. The other hand, poor person, economically poor, but very happy. So therefore, material value alone will not give us inner peace. So for that, I feel, firstly, various different traditions also can help to bring inner peace. Then, India's tradition, secular, say, respect to all religion and also respect to non-believer, secular. India's constitution itself on the basis of secular. So, according to secular way, educate people. Material value alone will not provide us happy life. Material need, but at the same time, we have to pay more attention about mental peace. So here, the ancient Indian tradition, the knowledge about our mind, about our emotion, and how to tackle the destructive emotion. So we should take these as an academic subject. These days I describing hygiene of physical, there in education, hygiene of physical we teach. Now we need hygiene of emotion in education field. So therefore, my latest commitment is try to revive of ancient Indian knowledge, how to tackle our emotion. So many Indian, now for example, recently about over 1,000 vice chancellor of different universities together, and I mentioned the ancient Indian knowledge, how to develop peace of mind, not just prayer, not just through prayer, but analyze about the system of our emotion. That is something not only ancient Indian knowledge, but also very, very relevant to today's world. And once you see India combine modern education and ancient Indian knowledge about mind, about emotion, combine these two things, I think then India can show the rest of the world a materially developed, comfortable, at the same time mentally peaceful. I think India can make, significant contribution regarding world peace through inner peace. So I want to urge young students and particularly teachers, I think you should pay more attention about ancient Indian knowledge, how to tackle our emotion. According to the principle of ahimsa, principle of secular. That's, I think, important. I think my recent visit to Jammu University on function there, I went there, and then I think you are there, isn't it? Huh? You are there, I think, Jammu University function. I think somewhere, you insist I should come to Kargil. I promised, now today materialize. Although aeroplane, because of weather condition, you see, cannot take on time from Leh. But we wait, then reach here quite late. What we miss is good lunch, we miss. But not important. Now important is meeting people. And I want to show my face in spite 84, nearly 83 years old person. But my face looks so I want to show my face, and the most important, some of my thought, which I gained over 60, 70 years. So, and also result meeting with scientists, many educationists. So, some my experience. Now, I found opportunity to share with you. Thank you.